Normally, I pick up something that I detest, and we tweak it and change it a little to fall in love with it. And this time, I think the colors. I'm normally not a big fan of pastel, but we picked those up, and we picked up the really strong neons, and we have merged both the things together till we actually like them. Also, the silhouettes are all adjustable, like the necks. The fit is all adjustable with drawstrings. That's our new take on it, and it's all free size. Like keeping the weather in mind, keeping Bombay specifically in mind, we have produced the collection. The colors are actually in sync with the environment of the pool. Like it's going to be a gloomy looking sky, but we have the blue of the pool. So the pastel and the embroideries are actually in a way matched to the colors of the ambience. With the wooden flooring and the cabanas, I think it's going to be a match.
For me, every season is like a personal extension of what I'm feeling. That's what fashion or creativity for me is. So the entire idea was interpreted through magma, which is like hot molten lava that's going to erupt and completely cause a new surface. So that's how I related it to my personal life, and that's what the collection is. The brand's not been really known for color. It's been really known for a lot of structural techniques, but I'm having a lot of fun with color, and that's what the collection is. It moves from a very neutral palette to something that is like a riot of color, very unusual color that I've never really used before. Something within me was bubbling, almost ready to be exploded, and I think that whole feeling of that explosion is something that you're going to see on the runway.
So I've worn her stuff so often, and she always makes me look stunning. So I'm really glad that this finally happened. It's like I think our sensibilities are very, very similar to each other's. So I think it's the best combination of having her and me together. Her stuff is really wearable, and I've always chosen her for like friends' weddings and any event where I have to be dressed ethnic, Indian. It's not about taking yourself too seriously. You don't always have to be overdressed at a wedding. You can be the understated bride or bridesmaid, or it's just a fun collection, and it's nice and light and breezy, which is what I love about it.
I liked each and every piece, so I think that says a lot. I have to find occasions to wear them all. Each and every one was a stunning piece. Yeah, today is also from one of her new collections, and it's just so me, so the color and the design and everything. She's modernized Indian wear without losing its innocence. And you can see that in every piece that she's made. Whether it's a destination wedding or it's a bridal, or if it's just something to wear every day, it's just very Indian. And that's the best part about it.